Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to edit aesthetic motion blur on your face by PicsArt application. So the first thing you have to do, you just need to open your PicsArt application and choose the picture that you want to edit or you want to add the effects to. And after you're done doing that, you just need to take a look on this picture and focus on this feature. And now you just need to jump into the effects here. And in this effect, there will be like a lot of effect option that you can choose. Since you want to make a blur effect, you need to jump into the blur section. In this blur section also, there will be a lot of blur effect that we can use. We have like just regular blur. We also have a focal zoom here. We also have a radial blur and pixelize. That's the blur effect that we can use for free, and for the rest we need to change or upgrade our application into the pro to use it. So here I would like to use a radial blur, and after that we just need to find out the positions that we want to have to get the blur. So I think I would like to put it here so that in the face part they will be like like have this movement or motions. And after that, don't go anywhere first, we just need to go click this part. This is the erase tool, and after that you just need to click it. And now you just need to select the part that you want to keep. So it is the face, so you just need to go click the face, and after that the effect will be only applied in your face. And after you're done adjusting it, you just need to go click this done button. If you want to adjusting more about the blur effect, you just need to go click this part, and you can adjust in the intensity of the blurry effect that you want to have. If you want to make it intense, you just need to drag it into the right side. If you want to make it less intense, drag it into the left side. Just got the intensity that you want, and after you're done adjusting it, you just need to go click apply. And now your photo is already have a motion blur for the face only. So that's the way how to edit aesthetic motion blur on your face with the PicsArt application. Hopefully this tutorial today is really useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe for this video, and discover more about another tutorial into this channel. See you for the next video.